working to enrich preschoolers now and for the long term. I'm Jill Horner. This is Comcast Newsmakers. With me this hour is Marcia Straka. She's Executive Director of Bucks County Head Start. Thanks so much for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
You say that there are misconceptions about Head Start and what the program is all about. Give us an idea as to what's included in Head Start and how it works to benefit our preschoolers now and what it means for them down the road.
Okay. The comprehensive services that are included in Head Start are not only the education piece, but we work with the families for areas of their physicals, their dentals, any kind of social service that the families need, whether it is wanting to get a car, a house, going to college, anything that they're in need of. Sometimes it comes down to they're not sure how to do laundry because no one's ever taught them that. In addition to that, mental health services, the nutrition piece is a part of that, and any other, really the social service piece that's different than just sending your child to childcare. We want to make sure that we incorporate and enrich the family experience, because child coming in with no shoes or no socks, we can help out with that as well.
So short-term benefits, but you say there are long-term implications to a program like this as well.
Our hopes are that it provides a positive school experience for them and helps the families so they can become self-sufficient so that later on when they go to kindergarten, elementary school, they have the tools to help support their family and also mentor their children to the best person they can be.
Now, throughout Bucks County, you have 636 children involved with your Head Start program in 11 different locations. These are 3 to 5-year-olds. That's a lot of children involved in this program, but who are these children? Are there families, struggling working families?
They're struggling working families. Some of them are in a situation where they had full-time jobs, having a wonderful life, and something happens to one of them. And, there's a turn in with the economy, and families are in a situation where they have to decide, do both of them go to work or one stay home? And if they do, they want to make sure that just because they don't have the income that other families do, they want to make sure that their families provide their children are provided a good preschool experience.
So the preschool experience is part of it, but these social services, that's a large component of what you do as well.
Absolutely. It's reaching out to the families, and because everybody's an individual, there's individual needs that need to be met. Some maybe say, I want to learn how to drive because my husband drives, he's off to work, but I need to take my child to the doctor, the dentist. I want to go grocery shopping, something like that. And because public transportation isn't that great in Bucks County, that's an important need that they have.
Now, many people think of Head Start as a federal program, and it was started at the federal level, but you say the support needs to come from the local level in order for you to receive federal funding.
Yes. Part of our requirement is that for every dollar, 80 cents is sponsored by the federal government, and they ask us to reach out to the community to get the other 20 cents or 25% of what we need to actually support, because the money that we get in our budget, we truly can't provide all the services that we need to and support the staff and all the other services unless we have those additional dollars or hours, volunteer hours, or other cash donations to support it.
Now, wearing your Live United t-shirt, and the United Way works to support you as an organization so that in turn you can receive that federal funding.
Absolutely. They help us in so many ways. They offer a summer enrichment program that's a 6-week program that, because our federal dollars don't support a 10-month or a 12-month program, the children come in for 10 months. And for 6 weeks, that carries on what they've learned and help support them either to go off to kindergarten or to come back to us with a more enriching experience.
And that's just one of the ways that they work to support you as well.
Oh my gosh, yes. I mean, they've provided book backpacks for us. They've provided in-kind shed where if families need blankets, sheets, whatever, they've done many other things for us.
All right, so by supporting the United Way, we can support organizations like yours. Thanks for being with us, Marcia. Good to see you.
You too.
We've been talking with Marcia Straka. I'm Jill Horner for Comcast Newsmakers.